Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.